Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn off incognito mode in Chrome on Android. If you are using Android phone and now you want to turn off incognito mode in your Chrome, so let's see how can you do this. If you have opened incognito mode something like this and now you want to turn it off or close the incognito mode, so let's see how can you do this. You will get the tabs icon here. Here I have opened just one tab, so you just have to tap on it, and after that this type logo will appear. You just have to tap on the cross icon. Just tap on it and your incognito mode will be disabled. You just have to open your Google tab, and here you can see I have successfully turned off or disabled incognito mode in my Chrome on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.